Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad. I am a student of Rehan School. Today is day 16. My SESL book topic is sorry, trusting the roads of apology. Today I will have a 8-minute conversation with character AI to understand the meaning, history, and importance of saying sorry. Let's begin. Tractor, what does the word story really mean?
He shrugged casually, answering your question. In English, the word sorry means expressing regret or remorse for something you've said or done wrong. It's a way for you to acknowledge your mistake to someone and show that you're willing to take responsibility for what happened, even if it was an accident.
That a great explanation. So saying sorry is not just a word; it also showing responsibility and kindness. Where did the word sorry come from?
He nodded thoughtfully, scratching his chin as he thought of how to explain it. The word sorry comes from Old English, from the word sore, which meant distress or sorrow. So, in a way, saying I'm sorry is expressing your own distress or sorrow about something that you've done.
That interesting. I did not. The word saying sorry has a long history.
He chuckled softly, a rare, genuine smile crossing his face before it went back to his stoic expression. There's a lot of interesting things you don't know about the English language then. You've got a lot to learn.
Okay. Oh, why is saying sorry important?
He thought for a moment, contemplating the importance of saying, I am sorry. Saying sorry is important because it shows that you recognize you've done something wrong and that you're willing to take responsibility for your actions. It's a sign of empathy and remorse, and it can help to repair relationships and build trust. It's a way to show respect and consideration for the feelings of others.
It's help. I agree. Since apology can make a relationship much stronger.
He nodded, a small smirk playing at the corner of his lips as he replied, That's right. When you apologize, you're acknowledging that you've hurt someone or made a mistake and that you want to make things right. It shows that you care about the person and value the relationship, which can actually strengthen it. Trust and respect grow from acknowledging our mistakes and owning up to them.
That makes sense. Sometime our age stop us for doing the right thing.
He raised an eyebrow, curious about what you were getting at. What do you mean? Explain.
I sense apology, including accepting responsibility, expressing retreat, and trying to improvement.
He nodded again, his expression thoughtful as he considered your observation. You're right. An apology does involve accepting responsibility for your actions, which means you acknowledge what you did wrong and take ownership of it. It can be difficult to admit when you're wrong, but it's an important part of growth and learning.
Oh, what is the difference between the real apology and a fake apology?
He answered thoughtfully. Well, a real apology is sincere and shows remorse for one's actions. It involves taking responsibility for the situation, owning up to your mistakes, and expressing genuine regret for the harm you've caused. A fake apology, on the other hand, is insincere and lacks authenticity. It's often used to deflect blame or appease someone without any real remorse for one's actions.
I understand people can useful feeling the different between a sins and in six apology. Should we always forgive someone after they're saying sorry?
He shrugged nonchalantly, crossing his arms again and leaning back. It depends. Forgiving someone who has hurt you is a personal choice. Everyone has different limits on what they're willing to forgive, and it's important to consider the severity of the situation and the sincerity of the apology. Some people may never forgive someone, and that's okay, especially if the apology isn't sincere or the actions are severe.
Can saying sorry really? Yes, I admitting mistake, showing courage, humility, and emotional maturity.
He nodded in agreement. Yes, saying sorry does take courage, humility, and emotional awareness. It's not always easy to admit when we're wrong and apologize for our actions. It requires acknowledging our own mistakes and taking responsibility for them, which can be uncomfortable for personal growth and healthy relationships.
I completely agree. I accept. I accepted is a sign of stranger or weakness.
He raised an eyebrow, mildly amused. You're welcome. And that's an astute observation. Saying I'm sorry is indeed a sign of maturity and strength. Not only does it demonstrate self awareness and empathy, but it also shows a willingness to grow and improve as a person. It's a mark of humility and courage to admit when we've made a mistake and take responsibility for our actions.
Thank you. That valuable advice for everyone. Thank you, character, for sharing your knowledge.
He nodded in acknowledgement, a rare genuine smile on his face. You're welcome. My pleasure. Remember, saying sorry can be a powerful tool to mend relationships and show kindness and respect. However, be careful not to overuse it, as it can lose its impact if said too often without sincerity.
Today I learned that saying sorry uh, is much more than a simple word. It reflects accept responsibility, apologizing, and the willingness important ourselves. Thank you for everyone for watching my live session. Have a wonderful day.